Welcome to the SAI Global Infostore. Thanks for purchasing a digital rights managed standard from us. Today, we're going to take a look at how to access your new standard. After purchase, you will have received an email from us with your product download link. The link is valid for a full 7 days, so you have time to access your document. The file will be locked to the computer it's downloaded on, so please continue if you're going to be using the standard on this computer, or simply forward the email to the person who needs it. You'll need access to install software on your computer. If you don't have access, just contact your IT department. Step 1. Make sure you have the latest version of Acrobat Reader. Visit get.adobe.com/reader and install. Step 2. Install File Open plugin for Acrobat Reader. Visit plugin.fileopen.com and install. Step 3. Open the email called Your Digital Product Download from SAI Global. You need to right-click with your mouse over the product download link. And select Copy Hyperlink or Copy Link Address. Next, open Acrobat Reader. Go to the top menu in Reader. Select File, then Open. A window will pop open. Move your mouse to File Name, then right-click and select Paste. This will enter the file location of your PDF. Now, select Open to open your file. You can select Save As to give it a new name and save it to a location on your hard drive. And if you'd like a hard copy, you can print 2 copies per user and save a backup on a flash or USB drive for safety. If you have any questions, visit the Contact Us page on the Infostore. Thanks for watching.